how to use Illusion Diffusion. Upload the picture you wish to shape. Alternatively, you can use the example images if you don't have your own photo. You can customize the illusion effect's intensity in the result by adjusting its degree. For a bolder result, ramp up the setting. For a subtler finish, turn it down. A higher value will make the illusion more prominent, while a lower value will make it more nuanced. The prompt zone allows you to command the AI to better understand your artistic intent. Here, you're able to provide a thorough explanation or offer keywords closely related to the image you wish to produce. Negative prompt. This particular section lets you specify any elements that you definitely do not want to be included in the output image. For more experienced users, the advanced features provide the chance to adjust their Illusion Diffusion AI creations meticulously, aligning with their unique preferences and detailed specifications. However, for a smoother user experience, we suggest focusing on the illusion strength and prompt parameters. And finally, click Run to initiate the process.